today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, Bitcoin is going absolutely crazy. That crazy that I am here on a jet ski hiding in a cave. But of course, this does not hold me back to go into the charts and show you exactly what's going to happen right now. So let's jump here straight into the charts and let's actually see what is happening to Bitcoin right now. I mean, yesterday's video, by the way, the most watched Bitcoin video on the whole YouTube internet. Thank you very much for the likes, the 11,000 likes. I was saying I'm selling everything. Selling my cars, selling my watches to buy even more Bitcoin. Why am I planning to do that? The chart is giving me the answer. And yes, I talked about support resistance, 200-week MA. I have something else to show you today. A chart which no one else has shown you before. Wait for it. First of all, I wanted to go into the immediate short term for Bitcoin and see for the first time since a long time what was happening there. Let me quickly go back into the face mode. By the way, I'm back on the boat. I'm not on the jet ski anymore. That was a small gimmick just for you to cheer you up in these very, very crazy times for the Bitcoin price. I'm back on the boat, but of course this doesn't hold me back to talk about the Bitcoin price. And yes, Bitcoin is still tumbling back and forth, and we really need the weekly candle close on Sunday to be somewhere in the areas of 21, 22,000 US dollars. Bitcoin breaking the previous bottom of 20,100 could bring the previous all-time high in danger. But I want to talk about why I am so incredibly bullish on Bitcoin, unlike almost everyone else. If we are going over to Twitter, at MMCrypto on Twitter, I'm almost having 1 million followers over there. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I was asking your BTC sentiment right now. You can see here 1 day ago, more people are bearish than bullish. 4,200 people voting for bearish, while 1,200 people voting for bullish. And this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is a very clear indication. What is the sound here? What is the... Wait a second. Okay, now it stops. This is a very clear indication that we are going lower and lower. More and more people are bearish. Do you think those bearish people are still holding? No. The more people are getting bearish, the more we are going lower, the fewer people are there still willing to sell, and the more the redistribution already happened from the weak hands to the strong hands. Now let's go into these charts. This is the net unrealized profit and loss. Black line is the Bitcoin price, and this colored line is the net unrealized profit and loss. Meaning, whenever this line is red or orange, we are severely profitable. Most of the people holding and trading in a profit. When we are yellow, we are getting more neutral, still in the bullish zone. When we are getting green, this is when almost no one is profitably holding anymore. The sentiment is already going down. And when we are blue, this is when the average of people is holding or trading in a deep loss. This happened in 2015, deepest bottom of the bear market. 2019, you can see these bear cycles are getting shorter. Once again, blue area when we broke down to 3,100 US dollars. It happened once again in 2020 at the Black Thursday dump. Boom, quick wick to the downside. The Fed came to save us all. Now on the right hand side, you see we are dipping once again into the non-profitable area, and this is a once in a 2, 3, 4 years opportunity. This is what we've been waiting for. Almost everyone is holding and trading in a loss for a crazy rising asset like Bitcoin. Very weird, right? And this is even more interesting. The net realized profit and loss is at an all-time low. We never had that high losses ever in the history of Bitcoin. Today, on the right bottom side, we are marking the highest losses in US dollar value we ever had on Bitcoin. So if you understand a little bit about the fundamentals of Bitcoin, this should make you bullish actually. Wow. My hair looks crazy with the wind and the salt water. I really apologize for that, but you're not joining for my face. You are joining for the Bitcoin content, right? So this is for me the moment. Yes, okay, maybe Bitcoin breaks down. I don't care if it breaks down to 18,000. My trading strategy is the following. I am here in my trade, and yes, it's in a 20% loss. 30 Bitcoin in this trade. My entry price being at, you see it on the bottom left side, 21,000 US dollars. But go here, The next order is already open, 19,100. If we break below the previous all-time high, I am going to open the next one. If we break lower, there is going to be the next limit long order at 18,100 US dollars. I do not recommend you to do that, but this is my strategy, to be there when the bottom comes, as no one, not me, not Elon Musk, not Michael Saylor, can predict for you. This is the exact bottom. We can say, okay, we are getting in a bottom area, and that's where I'm scaling in. Similar to dollar cost averaging, I am dollar cost averaging down with long orders, which unfortunately have to get bigger after time. This is what I'm looking at right now. And of course, guys, if you want to be trading as well, pin comment down below, 10,000 US dollar bonus for free. Click the Bybit link, Phoenix link, or Binance link, and you can claim your free bonuses today by clicking the link after your initial deposit. However, be an experienced trader for that, and make sure that the most of your portfolio is a hodling portfolio, because these realized losses are just happening because people are not holding. Imagine, look at one of these blue dots in 2020, 2021. If you sold there, you lost money. If you just didn't do anything, you went back into the green area. It's just a question of time, if you are a Bitcoin holder, that you are going to be profitable again. This is set from me based on an 11 or 12 year historical confidence. If you don't believe me, believe the statistics, believe the history. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.